Hi, and welcome to the shopping cart video tutorial series. In this video, I'll be talking about shipping options and tax rate options. So to get started, let's go ahead and click on the shopping cart menu. And then I'll dive right into the shipping options. In this menu, you can set the shipping options for your local orders as well as your international orders. Within each of these categories, you have 4 options for shipping. Standard shipping charges shipping per item in the shopping cart. Charge by order subtotal charges shipping based on the subtotal of the order. Use custom PHP include allows you to include custom programming scripts that affect the shipping options. And finally, offline or manual calculation. When you choose offline or manual calculation, this means that no shipping calculation is performed during the checkout process, but the customer is notified on the initial invoice that the final total, including shipping charges, will be emailed to them for their approval before the order is processed. You can also change the message that is shown to your customers here. So once you're satisfied, click Save Settings for local orders. If you would like to set different shipping options for your international orders, click here. This will prompt you to set your local country, which in our case is the United States. But as you can see, there are many to choose from. Once you've set your local country, you can then go in and choose a different shipping option for orders outside of your country. Once you're satisfied, click Save Settings for international orders. And that does it for the shipping options module. Now I'll go back to the shopping cart menu and then click tax rate options. The taxes that you charge with each order can be calculated based on the shipping address or the billing address. To set that, select it under Charge Tax By. The default is the billing address, so I'll just leave it at billing address. You can also choose whether or not you want to include the shipping charges in your tax calculations. The default is no, but you can set it to yes by clicking here. Next, you need to choose the state or province where your taxes apply. This would be my tax calculation. For international orders, you can also choose whether or not you want to include VAT or GST tax. You must include a valid VAT or GST registration number in order to collect these taxes. Let me give you a good example of how these two sections will work together. For Canadian clients, they will use the top section to collect their provincial taxes. And they will also use the bottom section to calculate the GST tax, which in their case is 8%. Therefore, each transaction to Alberta would be taxed a total sales tax of 13%. And that's it for the tax rate options. Thanks for watching this video.